morning, everyone. My name is Jim Carrey, and has this ever happened to you?
I'm gonna kill myself.
Because if it has, we don't care. But what we do care about is bikes. All bikes. Whether it's big, black, sexy, or just a bitch. Jorge, get back to work. I'll be right back.
Hola, my name is Jorge Carlos.
Jorge, what are you doing?
This is the interview, sir.
Okay, well there's these two 20-year-old women here trying to pass off a scooter as a bike. Okay, so I'm gonna need you to help me escort them a little bit. So hurry up.
I've been working at this fine establishment for 14 years. I specialize in tire repair.
Wait. Jorge, you forgot the brakes!
Let me go get those, sir.
What do you mean to go get them? You didn't have them on? God!
Yes, I am Jorge's mother, and yes, he's a complete idiot.
And he's been an idiot since birth, right?
Yes, he has.
So here at Jimmy's... Jorge, over here!
Sorry, sir.
So here at Jimmy's Garage, we care about your problems, and we'll fix them.
I care about your problems, too. After all, I've worked here for 10 years.
Okay, Jorge, I just got off the phone with the customer. You almost done with this?
Just finished, sir.
Oh, it was just a tire job, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Yep, we'll just charge him for that later.
We are not liable for any additional damages after the bike has been paid for.
So come on down to Jimmy's Garage, because we like refrigerators.
I'm gonna pay for it. You broke my handlebar.
Hey, whoa, we got you on a contract, sir!
This is not your home,
So don't sue us.
because I know how to replicate signatures.
Call this number.